Wednesday, October 18th. Crazy. Beautiful day today. Always nice when it's sunny in Southern Pines. Happy about that. We got in a restock of Rios, and I have two colors that are particular to two patterns that Kathie Schlagel has done for us. So these are our in-store patterns, and they're fabulous, and they're both great sellers. So I wanted to tell you that we got the actual colors in that the sample is knit in. So the first one is Ruthie's Wrap. Ruthie's Wrap is a beautiful shawl, and I'm going to show it to you. Each pattern, this pattern is, they're both $7.75. Lovely patterns. This is Ruthie's Wrap, and it's done in Liquid Umber, I believe is the name of the yarn, the color. Yes, Liquid Umber. This is the wrap, and because it's this hand-dyed, the yarn does everything, and the pattern is relatively simple. But it's nice and large. It's lovely on both sides, so it's not an issue with that. And it's just nice and big, and you can flip it over and just be lovely and cozy. So, love this. We've sold it like crazy. So this, and it takes 3 skeins of Liquid Umber in Rios. Now, you can make this in any color you want, but this is the color it is made in. So I wanted to tell you that we just got in Liquid Umber, and it takes 3 skeins, and it will be beautiful. Let me get these tags out of the way. See? Gorgeous. So 3 skeins at $19 a skein. You too can have a wrap and a relatively quick knit for a Christmas gift, right? Ruthie's Wrap. Now, the other one that I want to show you that Kathie did is called Fencing. This is a great kind of a unisex scarf, but it really has a nice masculine look to it. This is how it's draped over a fence. The pattern is not challenging. It's just you pay attention. It's a basket weave with a little bit of a twist. So it's great looking. Just a great looking basket weave scarf. Nice and long. I think it uses 2 skeins of Rios. And this is in Cape Cod Gray, and we just got back in Cape Cod Gray. So if this looks appealing and like a man in your life maybe, or maybe not, we have it in the exact color of the example. So I just wanted to show those to you today. We sell a lot of Kathie's patterns. She's done a bunch of scarves and shawls and all kinds of things. So they're great. They're not difficult, but they're very pretty and they're fun to do. So happy day. Love it. We got it in. It's great. Let's see. Wednesday, it's going to be social knitting later on this evening. It's always fun to have a crowd. So tick tock, the week is going. Remember, I think I told you, but next week on Wednesday, I will be leaving and flying to my sister's. She's having some knee surgery. So I am taking this as an opportunity to spend undivided time with her as she recovers. And I'll cook and drive and run errands, and we're going to play a lot of cards and something called Mexican Train, which is a dominoes game, which she just learned and showed me this summer. It was so fun. So I think we'll be playing a lot of games, a lot of cribbage. Frankly, I'm looking forward to it. So I might be there a while because she can't drive for 2 weeks. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's not till next Wednesday. All right. I think that's all I have to tell you tonight. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you tomorrow.